Hi, my name is Awen, and this is my BagLove story. In today's episode, I would like to share with you a DIY on how I created my own bag, step by step, did the sewing of my bag. But first, I would like to share with you these new nails that I got from Shein. I really love the color, and I really love that it looks shiny and it looks like it has some glitters. So nice. And it came with this box with the free sticker tabs and the nail file. So in case you're interested in getting the same very pretty and girly nails from Shein, I will link it below for you. I'm so excited to share with you that I have a new favorite. Yes, I have a new favorite, and it is from Sanrio. It is My Melody and Kuromi. These two bunnies that I want to collect some very cute items from them. And but first, I was able to get this DIY bag from Shopee, and I will link it below for you. I really love handicrafts. I really love sewing. For me, sewing my bag or my wallets, creating my own bags and wallets, that really feels very relaxing to me, and that really releases some stress from work. And so I decided to get the DIY version of the bag. So now I'll share with you how I did the bag. So if you buy the tools from Shopee, these are the things that you will get, all these things, and but it didn't come with any instructions with it. So I decided to create my step-by-step instructions on how I created the bag, how I assembled the bag. So let's start. I'm done with the bag, and this is my final product. I was able to finish this bag in 2 days. I really enjoyed doing this bag. And if you're also like me who loves crafts and craft making and sewing, I will link where I have bought the materials from. And it's very, very satisfying when I have finished with a bag. I'll first show you. So this is what I have created. Look at the stitchings. I carefully did the stitching so that it would look nice and neat and clean. So this is how it looks on the front, and on the side it looks like this. In case you want to use this as a shoulder bag or sling bag. This is the back. I really wish they have placed a pocket right here. I am a fan of pockets on the outside of the bag. That's okay. That's the other side. And the bottom, that's the bottom. So let's open. So that is the inside of the bag. It came with a twilly. I'll show you the twilly Kuromi. And this is the other side. Looks nice. And it also came with a long strap in case I want to use this long strap. But of course, this bag is a small bag. I'm pretty sure my phone would not fit in this very small bag, but still, I would use this. And I'll be very happy to share what's in my bag the next upcoming videos. Please do watch for it, okay? I also got a new tape measure, and it is my melody. And I would just like to share the size of the bag with you. So the bag is, so it is 16.7 cm. The height is 14 cm, almost 14 cm. And the width is 7.5. Okay. This is such a cute tape measure. You know, I have tape measure always in my bag in case I want to measure something. This is very, very handy. And I'm happy to link this as well in the description box in case you're interested in getting this very pretty My Melody tape measure. So this is the bag. I really am very happy that have succeeded. Show you how I will style it and what fits inside. Please do watch for it. And the next couple of videos I'll be showing and how I have the DIY on my Melody bag. So please also watch for that as well. So if you really enjoy these kinds of contents, bag related, cute stuff, pink girly stuff, and some DIYs, please do consider subscribing to this channel. That would be very helpful to me. And I'll be happy to share more bag related stuff, cute stuff, kawaii stuff with you, especially now that I have decided to purchase more of this Kuromi and My Melody from Sanrio. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.